Welcome to 256 Garner Road. This is a HUD foreclosure, a true handyman special with special financing available to owner-occupied buyers who get the first crack at this. You can buy this home with as little as $100 down payment and finance the repairs. You do have to qualify for that, but we can recommend lenders that do this many times, and you can make your dream come true here in Farrington Lakes section, very prestigious neighborhood in North Brunswick. Down the street you have the Farrington Lake. Eisenhower Park goes down to it. Very good commutability options. From here, you're about 10 minutes to the Jersey Turnpike, the Park and Ride. Lots of shopping, all up and down Route 130 and Route 1 and downtown. In the older section of town. But here's your chance to make a dream come true and make it your own. This house pretty much needs everything done. Siding, roof, windows. This here is an old garage that was converted into a workroom. That can be converted back to a garage. Separate entrances from the side. A great, huge property. Tree lined. House definitely needs roof, gutters, windows. This fence here belongs to the neighbors. This is not part of the property. You have a storage shed here, an outside electrical outlet for, there might have been a pool out here at one time, but you have it available there. Great sized property. 75 by 100 foot lot. The home does have wall unit and window unit air conditioners. Something that can be easily upgraded since it is a forced hot air system. Put a new furnace and HVAC unit in it. We're gonna go into the house. So the ground floor here, these are tile floors. This was a living room, entertainment room. Music. Here's your utilities. Forced hot air, gas furnace, hot water heater, plenty of extra storage. Your laundry system goes here. There's your water meter, electric panel. Nice little half bath here. This is the inside that was finished into a workroom, but can easily be converted back into a garage, which was its original usage for this house. Does need a lot of work, but it presents an opportunity for an affordable purchase plus renovation money. Again, the 203K financing for, this is a storage shed, I'm sorry, a crawl space here underneath the main level of the house. Rip up the carpeting, scrape and paint, replace the windows, pop some skylights in here. Just wonderful ideas that you can put to work in this home. Kitchen here can be opened up into an open concept. Kitchen's pretty much needs to go. Pretty much everything. There's going to be hardwood underneath these carpets, as there's hardwood shown here in the upper bedrooms. Same thing here in the hallway is going to be hardwood. This is the owner's suite. We have 3 bedrooms, 1.5 baths. Again, all of which needs to be renovated. But that's where the opportunity is. Full bathroom here. And that's pretty much it. There's 30 days for only owner-occupant bidders, no investors. It has to be your primary residence. You do have to live in it from completion of renovations for a minimum of 1 year. Otherwise, you're subject to federal fraud crimes. But we've done this hundreds of times with many buyers, and it's a great opportunity, especially in this tough market.